This is Project Winston, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Winston is painted in full gloss Aston Martin metallic green color with black accents all around. Winston sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tires. This D110 features a full external 6-point roll cage, classic front bumper, 4 LED round spotlights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, Project Winston features a Momo Indy wood steering wheel with mole bumper gauges, 2 Corbo Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and forward jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in single horizontal Garrett Resilience Tiger Eye leather stitched together in sumac color. This D110 is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Project Winston also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.